Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix failed to load xgameruntime.dll error code 126 in Windows 11, 10. Open PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run commands one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.